Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class I was just thinking to clear you about the HTML elements, that how we can call the HTML elements in a JavaScript. So basically, what do you think about the HTML elements we can call? Can we call them with the string way, or with the as the integer, or as the variable way? As you know that these are the three major data types of the JavaScript, or the HTML's own way. Now we can call the HTML elements in the JavaScript with the string way, with very easy methods. I just want to show you one of them here. I'm just typing the document dot write, and there I'm just typing this is the heading. Now save, and I'm just going back to the browser and refresh that. Now you can see that this is the heading. Pretty awesome. Go back to the notepad, and I'm just gonna put some more things. What I'm just gonna do, I'm just pressing enter, or don't need to press enter, just go there just before this and put the h1, cover that and go there. This is the h1 tag, the HTML. Now you can see that how easy I just added the HTML tag, the starting tag of the h1, and there I'm just ending this one. Now h1 ending. Now save and go to the browser back and refresh. Now it is looking like the heading. Pretty awesome. That means it's just working perfectly. Go back to the notepad, and what more I'm gonna do, I'm just pressing enter here, the document dot write, another one, and there what I'm just gonna do, this is another way you can do that too. Just remove all these things and just put the heading here. Now you can see that this one is the h1, or I think I should leave this as it is. I'm creating another one, document.write, and then here the b document.write, this is the paragraph. Save and press enter, document.write, ending the b tag. Oh, I just cannot put the HTML things with the direct way. I just need to use the string way. Now with the single or double quotes, I can use the double quotes both, the single and the double quotes both. Go back to the browser and refresh the thing. Now you can see that this is in a bold way. However, if you just don't use the b, then you know that they will be lighter than instead of the bolding in a common way. Then in the same way I can apply the CSS2 style. And which style I'm applying the color here, the red color. Save and go back to the notepad, the browser, and refresh. It's red now. So this is really easy to apply the HTML elements on the JavaScript. By the way, when you will come to the DOM, the HTML's DOM, the JavaScript's DOM, then you will learn some more interesting features. But for now, I'm applying the basic ones. So I hope you can understand that in the same way we can not simply create these things, the HTML, the h1 or the b tag. Even we can create a lot of things. For example, I'm just pressing enter and just adding another document dot write and the dot write, and then come on. Oh, I was just pressing the CTRL, the control button instead of the shift button. By the way, this is the first line, the BR. Now inside the paragraph I'm adding the BR. This is the second line. Save and go to the browser to check that and refresh that. Now you can see that, oh, nothing there. Go back to the notepad, and I saved that. So why it's not visible? Oh, okay, the spelling mistake. This should the E should not be there. I just removed that. Refresh now. This is the first line, and just after that the second line. So you can see that there isn't the enter, but there is it. Go back, and now I'm adding the enter there too, just after the B. Duplicate and then BR. Save and go to the browser back, and here just refresh. So in this way you can do that too. Something more I just want to show you. If I just press enter and I'm just typing document dot write, and here I'm just declaring a variable var1 equal to, I'm just adding some numbers here, the 5 plus 9. So exactly the value, the result will be, you know, I don't know what the result, the 14 basically. Add a comma because I just want to declare two variables, so var2 and 9 plus 8. So this will be the 17. So save, and I'm just going there, and what I'm just doing, I'm just calling the var1 plus var2. Now save it, and I'm just going to the browser and refreshing that. Now you can see that this is 31. Oh man, why this is 31? Because you know that the 14 plus 17 is called the 31, by the way. So what is the solution for that? Just add the single quotes and add another plus, because you know that here just add a simple space. So now this is another data type, this is another data type, you know. Okay, so this is the var1, and after the var1 the another data type, so I decided a plus. Now this plus won't the add or the add, subtract or multiply the result, but it will work as a concatenation, the concatenate sign, the concatenate operator. Then I added the, you know, the simple string, the space as a string. Now the space will work as the string, and then another plus sign, another concatenation, and then the var2. Now save and go back to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that the 14 and the, you know, the 17 both are there. If you just don't want to add this space, so remove this space, but still there is another data type, so they won't be add. Now you can see that the 14 and the 17. Meanwhile, if you just want to add the br between them, so you can add that too. Refresh. Now exactly the 14 at the top. Why not? We should add another thing, another br there, br, and right after the br we need to add the plus sign, as you know. So refresh that back. Now 14 and the 17. In the same way, if you just want to add another plus, and I just want to add the 67 here, so refresh. Now the 6 to 7 is there too, because we added a different data type between these sequence, so exactly they are not getting plus, but still you can add the br there too. Save and go to the browser and refresh. So it's working perfectly. So now I think you just pretty know about the concatenation completely. So in the HTML elements, how to use the HTML elements in the JavaScript. So in the next class we'll learn some more things. Stay tuned and goodbye.